Welcome fam, welcome back to the channel. So guys, as you can see from the title down below, this will be a life update video.
Yes.
No, we do not do sit down videos like that. So from when you see we sit down, you know that it is a different perspective on our channel. So I'm asking you guys to bear with us, as well as do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, do not leave without subscribing, and click the notification bell before you leave this video. Alright,
Yes.
Thank you so very much, and we appreciate it. So we're just going to get straight to the point. Because that's not coming here far, not true. Alright.
We reached 2,000 subscribers. We didn't get to thank you guys.
Yes.
Like for all the new subscribers who came across to our YouTube channel. So we do, and we really appreciate you guys for coming in, and we just want to say thank you guys so much for helping us to hit that 2,000 sub milestone. It's another 1,000, another 100 milestone for us, and you know we always feel happy when we see ourselves reaching another 100 subscriber milestone, because that is a game to grow, right? And we really appreciate that, guys.
Thank you guys so
yes,
much.
Definitely.
This is we did not get to formally say thank you, so we're doing it in this video because it is a part of the life update.
Yeah,
we got to 2,000 subscribers during the time when we were not posting as much, so we really and truly wanted to come on here and say thank you guys so much. The appreciation is so vast, guys. We really and truly love you. When we say we love you bad, because you guys did not have to come here and do that. So we appreciate that you guys are taking time to watch our videos, to like, to comment and share and all of that. And as I'm talking about sharing, do not forget to follow us on Instagram. The link is in the description down below, or it will be placed somewhere on the screen. So you guys go ahead, follow us over there. We'll definitely follow you guys back and keep the interaction going over there. That's the first part of this life update, the good part of this life update. Alright, so update number 2. Alright guys, so as you can see, where we are sitting, this is not our normal setting. We are in a different location, we're in a different house, but we are in the same location. We just move house. So during the time that we were absent, we were actually moving and
settling down, get our things back together.
Yeah, because it took a lot out of us to just move to the other house, and the reason for that was my grand uncle, who is the owner of the previous house that we were in. He's the owner of this one as well, but he came from England, and you know, Corona out there, and we're not in that the Corona life business there. So we up and we take up ourselves and we just move up
and
here.
One of the reasons why we moved to, because when you think about it, Rock and I would have feel more comfortable knowing that we don't have to share the bathroom, we don't have to in the same space. You know, we like to have our own space, you know. So this house, like, it is for that purpose. And then because they're old, we didn't want them to hassle that much to climb up the stairs and to bring their things come up. So we just brought our things instead. And you know, we are here trying to settle down. We're not still settled, because doing this video now, it took a lot out of me, it took a lot out of Rock to sit down and do this video, because it's not that like our normal setting, as Rock said. So we have to try to implement and get things to look, you know, and feel
how we would
want it to feel. And remember, we're not the hypey type, we're like the jovial type of person, right? But we are trying our best to let you guys know that we are real and we're not fake, and we're not going to sit here and lie about things. So we have to let you guys know, because you guys are here to support us, and we really appreciate all of that. So you guys need to know.
Moving back up here, you know, it kind of drains.
Yes, and as Rock said, it's back. So we were here before when we just came from Barbados. We were here, like, this was where we were at. So moving, for a few months, then we went down. So moving back here, it's like a lot of work. Trust me. We have to carry the fridge, we have to carry our beds, we have to carry everything, carry decks, carry the entire office, move it up here. So it's not easy. It was not easy.
Yeah, so it kind of, and up here it kind of, we were not motivated enough anymore to go out and get content to post. So that is the reason why we were not really posting as much. So we're getting back into the groove, and we're doing, we are trying to perk up with yourself again. So we can post so that you guys can have enjoyable content, because we don't want this channel to run down, and because I know that you guys are out there looking forward to content that we post. We get the DMs, we get the messages, so we really and truly appreciate those who make an effort to contact us
and check up on us. I felt so good when I see you guys like WhatsApp and DM us and asking what's going on. You guys have internet, you guys good. You haven't seen any posts. That allows us to know that you guys really do love us and care, and you guys want to see the content, So we decided that we're not gonna allow like the movement to pull us down. So we're gonna be firm, and go forward, because you guys are out there to support us just the same. And as you can see, we are still active on YouTube, right? We comment and we are still there, but we're just not.
The energy to post was not there. So
but we're not gonna make that stop us. You know that. We're the Gordonz. We're stronger than ever, stronger together.
Yes. Yeah. So, update number 3. So our car, it got confiscated by the police. This was because, let us explain, alright? So what had happened was, the car was supposed to go to the garage. So, Kim can tell that story.
I was about to take the car to the garage, but in the process, that the car is not straight, because if we have carry the car to the garage, so there's no need for the car to be licensed or insured, because the car is going to the garage. However,
it will be there for a while.
Yes. However, for the car to drive on the road, you would have to have the papers, or you could use a record. So at the time, I didn't know that, so the police took away the car. Right, and it was there for a couple of months. Feel depressed, sad, because my car got to the police station. If my car was like black or silver, I wouldn't feel any way. But because my car is like stand out, I feel a way about that. So every day people ask me, want to the car because I'm seated at the station and whatever. Man up and pay for the car, use record, bring it back here, and we have it. The rest was history.
Yeah.
It is still here. We don't carry to the garage as yet, because we are still planning. We just want to go forward with all the procedure to get all the relevant, the money, and just get all the work done. Right?
Yeah. So in all of this, we went to court.
Yeah. We went
to court, guys, because we got 4 tickets. 4 other tickets. Can we have 4 tickets? So we are fret now and something, because it's our first time ticket business and court. We don't know we don't know how in one court look.
Neither me.
So let us tell you what happened, guys. So we got the ticket, right? And the policeman said, you have to go and pay this at the tax office in 21 days. So in a few weeks now, we're counting 21 business days, because we know
tax office still open on
Saturday and Sunday. So we are like, alright, maybe take out the calendar and check it, because we didn't look back on the ticket. To be honest, we didn't look back on the tickets or anything. So we count 21 days on the calendar. Alright, then we say boop. At that time, they must be at tax office. One man just said, look here, we go look on the tickets. The same night we look at the ticket was supposed to be paid that day, and we looked at the ticket in the night. You can only imagine. We said, Lord of mercy. So what happened now? We say, alright then, because we don't know about this processing. So we say, alright, Kim, bring the money to the tax office to pay it. Tomorrow, that would be the day, the day after we saw the ticket was due. And probably they will take it because that's just one day. You understand? So probably have some kind of leniency or so. When he went there, they told him that he still have to end up at court. So on a ticket, if you did not know, there are 2 dates. One date for you to bring in the money to the tax office, and if you miss that date, you have to go to court. If you miss court, they will
summons. There will be a summons out for your arrest.
Summons out for your arrest. So we don't want to go no prison or no jail. So make sure find yourself at court. So when we went to court that day, we were there for almost the entire day. It was a Friday because traffic court is Friday. So we went there from 10 o'clock because that's the day that was on the ticket. So we went there from 9 o'clock, 9:30. Stand up there almost the entire day waiting and waiting. You cannot go in court and sit because of the corona procedures or the precautionary measures or whatever that they have out there. So we outside, the rain come down, we have an umbrella and all them stuff there. During all of this, the course of all of this, we came down to the end of the day. People who came in after us got through before us, and we were out there quarreling and saying, how come people after we come get through? Little did we know that summertime delay are the best thing ever. Alright? So what happened was, if the police officer did not send up the original part of the ticket that you write up in the book, you will not pay any money at court, because guess what, there is no what you call it, no backup then,
no
or
evidence.
no original evidence to say that it was written. So when we went there, all I 4 tickets to not pay none because the police officer not send up none. You understand? We are good at people, and good at people we because
you never have to be so rough. We can understand, but we understand freedom rules as well, because and everybody some persons not gonna understand, but some person will understand. You see, if the garage is close by, if the garage is next door to your house, trust me, if the garage is next door to your house, you don't need to use a record, because record will charge you 12,000 Jamaican dollars or 10 or more, depends on distance. You understand? Because if you carry the car from where I live to all the way to Brownstown, it would be like a $12,000, which will be 100 US or 89 or something US. You think about it, right? If I spend said 10 grand to bring the car from Discovery Bay to my house back, and maybe we can insert a clippings when my car just reach back home. I like the best feeling, but right now my car the home and me still not carry to the garage, but I will carry to the garage soon. Yeah, so that's it for the car,
Yeah, so that's really what happened, and we're happy that we never pay no money at court. But guess what happened? The court has to stamp the document, so in case
the police
we go out on the road and enjoy ourselves, and police pull up on we again and say there was a summons out for us.
We can show them evidence.
There is a
stamp from the court that we went to court, and it was your squad fault that we didn't pay the money. It's their loss. It's their loss, because to believe it, Jamaica traffic, they make all the money have a poor people here. Just have a traffic alone. And you know what them say? Since Corona, they don't make no money. You know what strange that sound? Well, if you don't make the money, tell them to Corona, you don't make no money for traffic. But forget about that still, that's,
Yeah, that's just part of the update. That was what was going on. And it make me kind of lose compound still. So if you see me look thin, don't come for me. Me just stress out a couple.
Yeah, definitely. So
on to the 4th and final update, guys. We are planning to...
Hold on, don't make me sidetrack. So remember, guys, we started our channel based from love and vlogging, going around and vlogging areas and highlighting Jamaica, having fun and all of that. But due to Corona, for some good reason, we started doing business on our channel. As you can see, we started doing real estate and like other business type of content. However, realize that this channel is now part of the business world, and we cannot get it back. to the way it was before, because as
majority
you can see, majority of the subscribers here, they enjoy both type of content, but
majority of them that subscribe recently they subscribe because of the host tours and stuff, and the business
concept that we are heading towards. So we are deciding, we already have a channel that called Rock and Chem. So we are going forward to push the personal vlogs, right?
Yeah, so we want to put personal
content,
daily, what you call daily vlogs on that channel, because we want to separate the content, because I know that for the first time viewers on the channel, you guys would have subscribed because you enjoyed our tours of Jamaica and stuff that we may do in our personal life. And then the persons who just subscribe, you are subscribed to the business side or the real estate
and because
side.
Of our personality as well.
Yeah,
and we appreciate that.
Yes, but they are two different niches, and I don't want the persons who subscribed before to think like, oh, then forget about any other thing. We don't want to mix the content, because I realize that if we put personal content over here, it will not get as much views as the real estate.
And we tried that already, and we tried. I tried it. Only one video we did was the gardening, and it just got 1,000 views, which is still appreciative, right? We still appreciate it. But Rock did a video when she went to peppers, but it didn't got a lot of views based off of the stats, and it fell way below our average. The day one person that are here for those content, they still watch it, but majority, right, recent persons that joined recently are here for the house and to help find them like properties and all of that. So Rock and I, we already started the channel. The channel will be named Rock and Chem, and that is going to be mainly everything. So starting off, we're going to add our anniversary, and we're going to put the anniversary on both channels. The anniversary video is going to be on our main channel, which is this one, and then it's going to be on the other channel. So it is a case where to help bring you guys over, because we don't want to start the channel blank, right? So if you guys are interested, you guys can go ahead and subscribe from now. And just really subscribe and bring it to 100, and that's it. Don't let us have to go back through the whole struggling again.
Subscribe, please. Right?
And
the link will be.
We might. I didn't tell Rock this, but that channel now might be used to entertain you guys a lot, like real entertainment. So.
Not entertainment.
Real entertainment, as you guys want, real entertainment. Not only like personal vlogs, but real entertainment.
So if you guys think that is a good idea, you can comment down below what you think of that. Yeah, and the link to the channel will be down in the description as well. You can go ahead and subscribe from now, so that when we go over there and post, we have little views over there too. So we can get us to 100. Get us to 100 subscribers.
Maybe see what we can do.
Because once we get to 100 subscribers, then we will post a video. So I think that we'll just leave the anniversary over here, and then
No. I'm putting on both channel, because we need a run. We need a run. Even though it's gonna be over there and over here, but we still need a run. We need that run. Right.
Alright guys,
so we have videos coming up. We have videos. We went to places and we enjoy ourselves. So videos coming up.
Yeah. So we have content coming for you guys. So we're getting back into the groove of things, and this was what caused us to be distant a little from YouTube. We're getting back there. We were even distant from Instagram, and we are back into the groove of things again, and we're excited about it. We're excited about what we have to do. Comment down below, guys, if you really and truly appreciate these vlogs and the turn that our channel will take. I know that persons will ask about Vlogmas.
Well, guys, if you're gonna ask about Vlogmas, just let us decide first and then bring it to you. And I need to say one more thing. Remember, I asked you guys 2 questions on my community post couple months ago about, do you think that houses in Jamaica are overpriced, and would you live in a repossessed?
No, do you think repossessed houses?
Yes, are safe to live in. So, and we still haven't forgot those. However, the sun is shining, you know, it's a blessing. Look at that. It's a blessing with the sun shining on you. But as you can see, let me just swing a little so you don't look distracting. So, I haven't forgot those questions that I asked. I saw all the response, all the negative and all the positive answers, and we are working hard to get the relevant person to come and speak with us, so our live stream will be back. So guys, don't think that nothing hasn't changed. It's just that our setting might be a little bit different, but we're working on that as well. So don't forget to like this video and don't forget to comment. And if you have any questions, ask it. And remember again, guys, follow us on Instagram. You don't want to miss out our personal life. We're gonna take this up a notch.
Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope that we explained enough. As to, we explain everything that's going on in our lives, because we think that you guys are family, and we think that you guys
need to know.
Carrying a little bit more into our personal space, and I think that you guys deserved to know what was happening. So yeah, that's what's going on with us. Hope that you guys enjoyed the vlog, this video, sorry. Comment down below, subscribe if you have not subscribed as yet, and turn on the post notification bell. So that's it guys, until next time,
see you.
Peace.
I'm out.